what you call the when they're filling the sand pipe, like is it 5 meter elevated this one. So are they going to do at one side one time, or it is like in level like 1 meter elevated and 2 meter like that? How they are sequencing? They're
Okay, it
going
is
to
level.
do all at a time?
No, it will be backfilling by level by level.
Level by level. So you'll do
Yeah.
like 1 meter level, then slowly will increase going up to height.
Yes,
Right?
yes. Yeah, it will be compacted in one level. Again, soil will be dumped over that, and then next level compaction will be there.
Okay. Then it's but then by the time your entire your soil to be discarded, right?
Yeah, it is being done partially. In some area, in one area, the compaction is going on. Other zone, the soil removal is going on.
Yeah. That is a series. So they will remove the soil from one side. They will go for other side. Meantime, first area will be backfilled.
Backfill, and then will be followed by compaction. It will be around 30 zones are there. So work will be distributed to different zones.
Okay. Now, Chairman, actually, when we say demolition, the only concern demolition is the demolition of the existing soil, which is still a grey concern. You know that one yesterday we discussed. The demolition of the existing soil or dispose of the existing soil, what you call it now. So, is there to highlight somewhere in this constructability?
I think it is mentioned in the demolition part.
Okay, if I understand, concerns what is highlighted by Paresh, he's saying that demolition means excavation of the soil, right? Topsoil. So
Demolition is everything. It is a civil, mechanical, electrical, everything is coming in demolition, which is removal of the existing items. That is what demolition.
Yeah, demolition part we have told. We have been subterranean. See, if you see here, so we have highlighted these 2 points as per our discussion with team yesterday, that all the soil what is going to be removed has to be done as per the waste management plan, and they have to obtain the permission as we highlighted yesterday. So this point is still applicable in the constructability also.
Okay, we are referring to annual right straight away. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Paresh, correct.
We are referring to annual right. We are referring to annual straight away in this case.
Paresh, somehow
sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I think it's okay.
Okay, guys. So what Paresh is saying is very critical concern, and this is the point we highlighted in the NVID also, and the recommendation is still valid, and the contractor has to find out the appropriate permission, NOCs, and approval for disposal of as per the ADNOC guidelines, so that we do not have any notice of non-compliance. Okay.